Such precious time in this life. Well, everybody knows that it.
Hi and welcome. Today we are going to answer a question that have been asked by a number of people in my inbox about what is an API. An API stands for Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface. What is it? What does this Application Programming Interface means? Let me use an analogy to explain what an API is. Let's say you went to a restaurant, the waiter comes to you and asks for your order. The waiter then sends the order to the chef. The chef starts preparing the food. After the food is prepared, the chef gives the food to the waiter and it comes to you. So the waiter acts as a connection between you and the chef.
Such precious time in this life. Well, everybody knows that it.
An API is like a waiter which sit in between two computers, the user application computer and the server computer, which are those two computers. Being application, and you ought to make some orders. You go into your application or to your smartphone, key in your login credentials. So those login credentials are validated with the account that is stored in the application server where that information is hosted. So you key in that smartphone, and then the API is the one that queries the other computer. And then it checks the details on the computer, and if it validates and find your credentials, it logs you in. And then you proceed to make an order. For you to make an order, so we have an API sitting in between two computers to be able to communicate. Your device, be it a smartphone, a computer, or any other device that you're using, and then you want to search for information that is stored somewhere in another computer that we call a server. So your computer here or your device here, we call it a client, and on the server, on the other side, the other computer where that information you're looking for is stored, we call it a server. So a server is just another computer. Your device is another computer that we have these two devices interacting, and they interact using what we call the API. I hope I've managed to explain what an API is, and if you have any question, drop them at the comment section and I'll be able to respond in my next video. Thank you, and be sure to subscribe, share, and comment.
Such precious time in this life. Well, everybody knows that it.